So, I just watched a weird little video on YouTube. It was 25 coming of age stories. Where is it? Yeah, 25 insane coming of age ceremonies and traditions. There's some crazy ones. There really is. There's some fucked up ones. Like one where they got cut off their foreskin and then eat it and then stand over a fire. Yeah, thank God I was born in England. Because obviously there's like native tribes and shit that do all this stuff. It's really fucking weird. Really weird. Even though, well, then again, I guess if you're a Jew, you're going to get your foreskin cut off regardless. But then again, you're a little kid. You're like a baby, so you don't really remember. So, but regardless, it's very, very fucked up. So, today was quite fun. Had to stay back for a little while to do a bit more work on travel tourism. Finished that up, gave that to her, fucking sorted, and I had to fix the printer. The printer in the school was quite fucked because there's paper jammed in it, so I took that shit out and fixed it right up. So that was good. And some other shit happened. Two girls flipped out, and one I was there for, one I can miss completely, and it was just hilarious. The one I missed, that was apparently quite hilarious, so I wish I was there for that. And the second one I was there for, but I missed it because I had my headphones in, and then I took them out and I was like, what the fuck? It was quite funny. So
hey buddies!
Not bad. So yeah, overall, not a bad day. So I'm going to watch more Breaking Bad, I'm on season 4 now. Sorted. And then I will check back with you guys. So, uneventful day today, I guess. Well, apart from land in the morning, but uneventful night, I guess, let's say. For some reason they put on fucking Harry Potter films on Wednesdays. Weird. Because last time they did this, they played Goblet of Fire. And now they're playing Deathly Hallows. What the fuck? If you're gonna play Harry Potter films, play them in fucking order, you cunts. Dickheads. And I was just trying to create a custom ringtone for my phone, but it failed. So, yeah. Oh well. I'll try again later, because all the fucking ringtones makers are shit and fucking bollocks, I don't know. All unreliable. Yeah. Yeah, it's a great. No one pay any of that shit, so fuck it. So I will see you tomorrow for a shit day, which will probably be my last day. Officially last day, I guess. Because on the Friday I might have to come in for law, because that hasn't been done yet. This has been bullshit. And I had my travel and tourism work, so that's all good. See you guys tomorrow. Free the